When you want your spaces to be comfortable, you need an efficient way to control your temperature. SereneLife's portable air conditioners with built-in heaters are your solution to staying comfortable when the outside temperatures fluctuate. Its sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling and heating system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, heat, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the window seal, attach the durable, flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your whole home to get the perfect temperature for optimal sleep. When the birds fly south, you can stay cozy with built-in heater mode. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set temperatures to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner.
Test reviews. Our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would, so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today, we're putting the DeLonghi Penguino PAC EX 390 UV-Care portable air conditioner to the test. This UV-Carelight model promises to keep your home cool and comfortable while protecting against viruses and bacteria with UVC technology. We tested the powerful 3-in-1 cooling, dehumidifying, and fan unit in an actual home setting to see how it performs. When buying a new air conditioner, it's essential to consider how large the room is you'll be cooling, along with how noisy the machine is. You'll want to know what the device's energy consumption is and how often you plan on running it, so you can get an idea of average cost of use. The UV-Carelight portable air conditioner was able to cool our large area by 10 degrees in around an hour, and had the same impact in smaller rooms in less than 30 minutes. When using this device's cooling mode, you can feel a considerable difference in the temperature in around 10 to 15 minutes. The air was noticeably less stale and less humid after using the device for an hour or so. In terms of cost, this portable AC will run you about $650, making it one of the pricier models out there. But is it worth the price tag? Let's take a look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. The DeLonghi UV-Carelight rolls from room to room with ease and has impressive cooling capabilities. The dehumidifier reduces moisture in the air, and the UVC technology protects against viruses and bacteria by killing up to 99.5% of viruses and 96.4% of bacteria, making the air in your home cleaner and more comfortable. This portable air conditioner is considerably quieter than other units of the same size, and its sleek design means it won't be an eyesore if you leave it out in the open. Now let's take a look at the cons. The mounting brackets can be cumbersome and don't fit in every window. The filter chamber on the back can be quite difficult to take off, and although the remote is handy, it can be finicky at times. All in all, the DeLonghi PAC EX 390 UV-Care is an impressive device that excels at keeping your air cool and clean from bacteria and viruses. The price point is high, but the features make the device well worth it if you feel the air quality in your home could be improved.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Edwin Velez here to bring you a new exclusive Cooper & Hunter introduction. Today we're here to talk about Cooper & Hunter's Mia series, which offers a more affordable yet assuredly energy efficient addition to the mini split marketplace. The latest of the series, Mia NG, or new generation, features the same specs as Cooper & Hunter's popular Sophia series, but with a slightly lower SEER, 19 SEER, and a sleek matte finish to the wall mount. Mia NG models ranging from 9,000 BTU to 24,000 BTU utilize inverter technology to save energy. Mia offers a single-zone solution for both heating and cooling, equipped with innovative features such as anti-corrosive gold fin coating, super silent operation, activated carbon filter, air codes labeled on the side of the system, and easy-to-clean filters right here on the front of the wall mount. Mia comes with a remote which controls features such as sleep mode or follow me mode right here on the remote control itself. Now with the sleek matte finish, you have a front panel LED display that comes through on the panel. It opens up to that super silent quiet mode, and it reads at a 51.2 decibel reading. Our easy to install Wi-Fi kits provide compatibility with newly improved Cooper & Hunter remote apps. Plug it right in, download the application, And using your Android or iOS smartphone or mobile device, you could control the air conditioner anytime, anywhere. This includes setting on and off timers, as well as presetting daily or even weekly schedule for operation. We recommend matching all Cooper & Hunter units with our quality installation kits, which include pre-insulated 99.9% copper line set, 16-4 connection wire, durable rubber drain hose. You have your bandage tape, wall sleeve, and neoprene. As with all Cooper & Hunter products, the MIA brand is backed by a limited warranty and our exceptional technical support team. We offer assistance Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in English, Spanish, Mandarin, Ukrainian, and Russian. Remember, your unit should be installed by a licensed HVAC technician and should be registered for warranty within 60 days of installation. Thank you so much and have a great day.
So then once you have that filled all the way up to the top, you have the option to be able to have this air conditioner run for 6 to 8 hours, and that is just perfect because if you were wanting to have this next to you while you were sleeping at night, that would just be awesome because then it'd be able to run the whole time while you're sleeping. And don't worry if you're worried about that being able to run and the water going all the way down here at the top portion of the tank, because once the water will run out, it will just blow air. So it will be able to blow the cold air and be the air conditioner when the water is on the inside, but if the water runs out, it's just going to be a fan and you don't have to worry about anything going wrong. It will still be able to run, and then you could just refill it in the morning again. So this is USB operated, and it comes with this cord when you get and buy the personal air conditioner. So you will just plug it in on the side and then plug it into the USB. So I am